we're going to start out by applying the Morphe powder to the eyes. And today we're going to be doing a cool tone spring look. Now, I know cool tones are like, sometimes it's easy to wear, but it's not so easy to wear. Yeah, I did not top off major excess because usually I would. But just wipe away and keep going because that is going to actually help us even more. So if you wind up doing that, just take your brush and kind of like wipe away the excess. And yes, it landed on my shirt. And then I'm going to be taking the official Believe Beauty. This is their skin illuminator. You guys, I love this under foundation. I think I want to do a tutorial with me applying. I did apply too much at this point, but I am going to be applying it on my skin first, like the majority of the product on my skin, and see how well it looks under foundation as like how you would normally do moisturizer or something. So I'm just taking it to the chin, the cheekbones, the forehead, places where I usually apply highlighter in the side of my brows area, you know, the nose. Let me from the brand called Makeup Revolution, and I'm going to take my palette, which is the Moodlanude palette, and we're going to be using the black out of the Moodlanude. They did not have a black in the purple palette and pink. I don't know what's the actual name of this palette, but the palette that I did use is on my palette, but I'm talking about the Makeup Revolution one. But I'm just going to be taking the black and I'm going to be applying it all over to the crease. Then I went in also with the Moodlanude and I apply a neutral color above the black, kind of like smooth out. And then I'm going to be taking the LA Colors. This is their Conceal It, my favorite to carve out brows and also, you know, cut up the crease. This is one of my favorites. Then I'm going to be using an e.l.f. angle brush. Now I changed it up just a little bit because I really usually just use like any other brush and just kind of cut it out. But with me using the e.l.f. angle brush, like brush, like for their liners and stuff like that, I love this. Like, love it. It's just crazy. I love it. I just love the look of it. So I'm going to go in with the Color Book. This is the purple pinks version. And I'm going to be taking the colors from that palette. Okay, so what I did was I took the light bluish purple and I applied it to the crease, to the lid, excuse me. And then I applied the pinks and then I applied the purples. Then I focused more of the colors in the outer V to kind of make it look like it's blended well and give it an ombre effect. I was really unsure about this look, y'all. I was like, I don't know. But the time you put in it and the more you like do it, it's great. So now I'm going to be taking the Milk Makeup. This is their highlighter. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look at that glow. It's like an illuminator, but it's in powder form. But I get mixed ups with illuminator and highlighters. I need to do better because I am a brown and I need to not get them mixed up. But I love the glow from this. I like to apply it on the same area, so I applied the illuminator early. I don't know why. I just like extra glow. And I like to blend it out just in case if I did apply a little bit too much the first time. And I did apply a little too much the first time. But I am going to take the LA Colors powder brush. And I'm going to like blend it out because this is a good powder brush too, you guys. But anyways, just taking it and blending it out. And that is the completed look. And I love it. So, complete look.